Hello everyone, welcome to this in-depth Java series. In previous class, we discussed about increment and decrement operator. In this class, we will discuss a next type operator, that is a arithmetic operator. See here, I listed here so many operators. In previous class, we discussed increment and decrement operator. So in this class, we will discuss arithmetic operator. Okay. Arithmetic operator. Tell me, what is meant by arithmetic operator? Can I say the operator which is used for performing some mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, and modulus, and gives some result, gives numerical result, that is called arithmetic operators. There are so many operators are available in arithmetic, like plus one. First one is a plus, minus, multiplication, division, modulus. This is operators are available in arithmetic operator. Okay. Here is a one point. It is also called as a binary operator or binary operator. Why it is called as a binary operator? Because when we apply plus operator, we can't apply the plus operator on only one operands, because for example, I want to perform some addition operation like 10 plus 20. We require how many operands? 10 is a one operand, 20 is a one operand, then two operands are there. That's why it is called as a binary operator. I hope you are understanding. When we perform arithmetic operation, then the result is always max of int type of operand 1 and type of operand 2. Then what is the meaning of this statement? When we perform an arithmetic operation, the result is always max int type of operand 1 and type of operand 2. Just remember, I will try one example, then you can understand better. The byte b equal to byte a equal to 10, byte p equal to 20, byte c equal to a plus b. System dot out dot println C. What is the output? Can you tell me what output we will get? Most of the people feeling like we will get a 30 output. But in this case, we will get a compile time exception or compile time error. Java C test.java. See here guys, we will get compile time error. Incompatible types, possibly lossive conversion from int to byte. Because every type, when we perform arithmetic operation, then the result is always a int. Yes or no? Can possibly lossive conversion from int to byte. How we can store this result? This result is a integer type. Then integer, how we can store in a byte variable? Yes or no? It is a correct or not? Because when we perform any arithmetic operation, the result is always a integer. That's why in this case we will get error. Then what is the solution of for this program? What is solution? Simply write here byte. Before assigning, we are performing a typecasting here. What is meant by typecasting? This result we are trying to placing into the byte data types, then assigning to byte variable C. Are you understanding or not? Yes. A plus B means the integer result. 10, 20, 30. We will get 30. 30 is converting into the byte data type. Then byte data type we can assign to the byte variable. It is a possible. Yes or no? I will again compile. Then in this case, compile fine java c test.java. Sorry, did not control S, I think. Okay, 2 minutes. CLS java c test.java. Okay. Incompatible types, force lossy conversion from int to byte. Okay, 2 minutes. I'll write here again byte. So less. Oh, sorry, this is my mistake. Java C test.java. Again, we will get incompatible types, possibly lossy conversion from int to byte. Okay. Two minutes, guys. CLS Java C test.java Java test. Yes. Compile successfully and run also successfully. 30. We will get 30 output. What happened previously in this case? We are trying to typecast one variable, but another is byte type, then one byte and one integer. Then we will get again result is integer. So that's why we will get compile time error in previous case. In this case, we will performing whole operation within a bracket. That's why we will not get any compile time error. Okay. I hope you are understood. Okay. I will write here int a equal to 20, int b equal to 12, system dot out dot println a into b, system dot out dot println I will provide here some message for understanding purpose. Multiplication, here I will write addition, subtraction. In this subtraction, division, modulus. You may have question about modulus and division. How it is a different, division is a different, modulus is a different. I will tell you 2 minutes. Let me compile this code. cls java c test.java java test. Multiplication is a 240. Multiplication is 240. Addition is a 32. Subtraction is 8. Division 1. Modulus 8. When we perform a modulus operation, then we will get a remainder as a result. Remainder as a result. In division, quotient as a result. That's why a remainder is a 8 and quotient is a 1. Okay. This is the example for arithmetic operation. We will see some conversion. I will open my paintbrush. Suppose here is a byte, then short, then int, then we can say okay, int, then long, float, double. Here is a char data type. This is a diagram. Here byte requires 1 byte, short requires 2 byte, then integer will take 4 byte, long will take 8 byte, float will take 4 byte, double will take 8 byte, char will take 2 byte in Java. These are the 7 primitive types. Another one is a boolean. I will write a boolean in here. This is a boolean. Okay. When we perform a typecasting, there are two types: implicit typecasting, and explicit typecasting. In typecasting, we have two types: implicit typecasting and explicit typecasting. When we, I will now, at this moment, I will erase this boolean data type. Okay, don't worry. But remember, when when I will going to this direction, when I will going to this direction, then it is called as widening. I will write here narrowing. It is also called as a explicit typecasting. Explicit typecasting. Here I will write implicit typecasting or widening. Implicit typecasting. Okay. 2 minutes. Oh. Explicit typecasting and implicit typecasting. When we will go to left to right direction is byte to short. We can assign a byte data type to short data type. It is called as a promotion also. Byte to short promotion is a valid. Char to int is also a valid. Int to long is also valid. Long to float it is also valid. This is called as a automatic promotion. When we put a lower data type into bigger data type, then it is called as a automatic promotion. Promotion in data type. It is called as a automatic promotion in data type. When we perform okay, I will write here. When we write byte plus byte data type, the result will be int. Remember, byte plus short, the result is int. Short plus short, the result is int. Char plus char, the result is int. Remember these conversions. This is the only important points available in arithmetic operators. Okay. int plus long. The result is long. Okay. Long int plus float. The result is float. Float plus long. The result is float. Long plus long. The result is long. Float plus double. The result is double. Remember all these conversions. Convergence, promotion, data type, automatic promotion, promotion in Java. I will write here some system.out.println statements. Tell me the results. System.out.println 10 divided by 0. CLS. In this case, what we will get? Tell me guys. What output we will get in this case? 10 divided by 0. Java C test.java Java test. It is a run successfully or we will get some exception. Can you tell me? Java test. We will get a arithmetic exception divided by 0. Divide by 0. Why we will get divide by 0 arithmetic exception? Can you tell me? Because in normal mathematics, when we divide number by 0, then we will get a output as a infinity. Yes or no? So that's why in Java, when we performing division operation with respect to integral arithmetic, integral arithmetic, 10 is a integer, 0 is also a integer, integer by integer, int plus int. What output we will get? Int only. Then in integer in Java, there is a no way to represent the infinity. Are you understanding? In Java, when we write 10 divided by 0, it is also an integer, it is also an integer, then equal to result is also an integer. Then in Java, when the result is an integer, then we don't have any way to represent the infinity in integral data types like a byte, short, integer, character, byte, short, integer, long. In these data types, we don't have any way to represent the infinity. That's why we will get arithmetic exception. Control C. First point here, 1. Case 1. example. I will write here one example. Okay, 2 minutes. This is example. Note, in Java, I will write here. When we perform arithmetic 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 division operation when we perform arithmetic division operation in normal mathematics when we perform arithmetic or division operation in normal mathematics with divide by 0, then the result is infinity. And in Java, in integral data types, there is no way to represent the infinity. That's why in above example we will get arithmetic exception divided by 0. Okay, this is the first case. If you are feeling this lecture is a very slow, then increase the speed of this video and then watch. Case 2. Okay. System.out.println 10.0 divided by 0. When floating point, it is a double. Yes or no? It is an integer. Double plus integer equal to we will get double. The result we will get double plus int, result is always double. Yes or no? In this case, what we will get? Can you tell me? If I compile this code, can I get arithmetic exception or any other? Java C test.java compile successfully is correct. Java run also successfully. In this case, we will get infinity as an answer. Let's check. Enter infinity. Then in floating point, infinity is the available to represent the infinity. It is a constant which is available in the double class. Every primitive types has one wrapper classes, corresponding wrapper classes. Java provides the corresponding wrapper classes. All are available in the java.lang package. Okay. If you want to see, then I will tell you. 2 minutes. This is my command prompt. Okay. In this case, we will get error. In this case we will get infinity. So java p java dot lang dot double. Yes or no? Enter. Here positive infinity and negative infinity. Yes or no? We are getting positive infinity or negative infinity. Yes or no? So in double class we have final public static final double type positive infinity variables or constant to represent the infinity value. That's why in this case we will not get any exception. Just when note note here in above example we are performing we perform same division operation on double or floating point literal floating point arithmetic, but we will not get any arithmetic exception. Arithmetic exception because in floating point arithmetic there is a way represent the infinity. There are two public final static variable available in floating point arithmetic. First one is positive infinity. Second one negative infinity. Yes or no? Okay. Can I write here minus? CLS Java C test dot Java test, then you will get negative infinity. Yes. If I write here plus, example output we will get minus infinity. Can I write here plus? CLS Java C test dot Java test positive infinity. Positive infinity. This is the example. Okay. Next we will discuss case 3. Case 3. What is the case 3? System dot out dot println 0 divided by 0. In normal mathematics, when we divide 0 by 0, then we will get the result undefined. Yes or no? We will get the result undefined. But in integral data types, it is also an integer. It is an integer. Then there is a there is a no way to represent the undefined in a integral data types. If you don't know, then let's check Java C, Java P, Java dot lang dot integer. Yes. Main value, max value, digit size, bytes. These constants are available only. There is no such terminology like a undefined or any other. I will write here case 3. This is the example. Sorry, I did not compile this example. CLS Java C test dot Java test. In this case, we will get arithmetic exception again. Arithmetic exception in thread main. Okay, this is an example. Note, in above example, when we write 0 divided by 0, the result is undefined, and in Java there is a no in integral arithmetic, there is no way to represent undefined. That's why we will get arithmetic exception divided by 0. Okay. Case 4. System dot out dot println 0.0 then 0. In this case also we will get a undefined, but in floating point there is a way to represent the undefined. How we can represent the undefined in floating point literal or floating point arithmetic? And I compile this code CLS Java C test dot Java test. We will get a NaN. What is the meaning of a NaN? Can you tell me? NaN means not a number, not a number. Okay. Case 4. Note, in above example, there is a way to represent undefined in floating point arithmetic. That's why we will get NaN as a output. NaN means not a number. Not a number. Okay. See here, I will prove practically. Java p java dot lang dot double. See here guys, NaN, this is a one constant available, but when we perform or when we write negative n, negative, then what output we will get? cls java c test dot java test na1 only. There is no terminology available in NaN, negative NaN, plus negative plus NaN. There is no terminology available. Okay. Then how NaN is internally defined? We will see how NaN, not a number, is internally defined. For that, take a one example. I will write here one look for system dot out dot println 10 is greater than float dot NaN. Like this also, greater than or equal to greater than or equal to less than or equal to less than only. System dot out dot println float dot NaN equal to system dot out dot println 10 is not equal to float dot NaN. System dot out dot println float dot NaN is not equal to float dot NaN. In this example, here we will get false. We will get false. We will get false, false, false. Here we will get true. Here we will get true. CLS Java C test.java. Cannot find symbol. Not okay. Sorry, my mistake. Float.nan. Okay. System.out.println float dot is not. Oh, sorry. It's a small n, capital N. CLS Java C test.java. Java test. Here guys, we will get false. We will get false, false, false. Only last two we will get true and true. So this is how internally NaN is available. This is internally NaN is defined, not a number. Okay, I hope you understand all arithmetic operators. In coming classes, we will say precedence also, and what is a automatic promotion I also covered here. So you have any query about these lectures, then tell me in comment box, and I will provide the Telegram channel link. If you require these notes, then join that channel. So bye bye everyone. Keep learning, keep growing.